Today is the day we are going to announce some winners in the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. We actually had 1,378 people comment on the 50,000 subscriber video, so that's 1,378 entries. As I said, I entered that in a random comment picker. It just goes through the comments, picks a comment at random. I did that 3 times, picked 3 different winners. And I've listed those winners' usernames in the comment section. I pinned a comment at the top of the comment section of that 50,000 video, so you can read the names there. If you're not sure if you were one of the winners, you can see the 3 names there. I have also replied to their original comment that they won. So if you are one of those winners, go to your original comment, reply back to me with your email address. I'll send you an email to get your shipping information, and we'll get your prizes right off to you. But the 3 winners were Dan Bailey, who's won the calipers. That's this double set of calipers we made in one of the videos. Armadillo Forge won a set of tongs. And Rubb won the cup and ball toy. So this means Al won't be getting any work done in the shop anytime soon, because this is going to be a great distraction to keep you from actually making anything. But hopefully you enjoy it. And each of you will also be receiving a hook ruler, a silver pencil, and some Black Bear Forge stickers. So thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for taking the time to enter the giveaway drawing. I am always glad to see some of these things that we make end up in the hands of some of the viewers. For the rest of you who commented and entered the giveaway, sorry you didn't win, but your odds were way better than winning the lottery. But nevertheless, there could only be 3 winners, and these are the 3 folks that won. Thanks again. I'll get these things out in the mail early next week. That's really all I've got for this morning. I just wanted to congratulate the winners and let you know who they were. I'm going to get back to work, try and make a video about forging something this afternoon. In the meantime, I hope you can get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.